Look at that, guys.
Hey guys, so we are finally back and we are here in Olango. It's island of Cebu, very small remote island, like really not crowded. We enjoy here the nature, not so noisy.
Yes guys, nandito kami sa Olango Island guys. Tingnan nyo guys, sobrang peaceful dito. So yan, napili namin itong lugar kasi wala masyadong tao. So baka makakapag-video kami ng marami. So yeah guys, we will just try to explore this area.
Roaming.
Yeah, because malit lang to na isla guys eh. So madali lang tong malibot namin. Sobrang so calm, good wind.
Not so hot.
Yeah, not so hot. Maraming bangka na dyan guys. Saka itong dinadaanan namin Porto bus sa Bisaya bus. So guys, nandito na kami sa mangrove guys. Tingnan nyo guys. So maglalakad kami dito guys. You need to search for crabs guys. Kasag.
I don't know how.
Big crabs.
I never hunt crab before.
Yeah, I will teach you. Tuturuan ko siya maghanap ng so hard to translate. Tuturuan ko siya manghuli ng alimango guys. If makahanap kami. Yeah. Maybe later we need to eat first. So magbe-breakfast muna kami guys. Pagkatapos babalik kami dito. Right ga? Hungry ga?
Little.
Huh?
A little.
Little. So what can you say about this place ga?
That's chill. It makes me want to sleep.
Yeah, so calm. So
we
walang
wake
ingay.
up at 4:30, so I'm still not fully rested.
Yeah, walang ingay. Okay.
But yeah, it's not so hot. It's calm, not crowded.
Gumising kami kasi ng maaga guys, mga 4:30 AM para bumiyahe dito. So guys, maghahanap na kami ng alimango guys. Or mga kahit mga small crab lang guys. So excited na si Flo guys. Andito na kami. So may kasama akong kaibigan guys. So dalawa kami manguha ng kasag alimasag. Sana makahanap kami ng marami guys.
Guys on the hunt. Well, I'm waiting for the food. Just I have no skills in hunting. I don't even know how to recognize a hole for the crab, so I just let the pro doing. I'm observing. But I'm so scared to get like catch. But they're really good at it. Nice.
Kamu siguro ito yung nagtatong damat yung mga sita.
Oh, kami ito rin. Sita, ari rin.
Mga katong na sita, katong napakuwag kasag mo.
Oh, kami dito.
Kami dito ba? Ay, sumit.
So guys, we will now go swimming.
Yes.
Yeah, we needed to interrupt our crab hunting because
later we will continue our crab hunting.
Yeah, the tide was going up. As you can see, there is water here, but usually it's really like all sand.
Hard to get crab if the water is.
Yeah, so now we just want to refresh a little.
Enjoy the view and the ocean.
Yeah, so nice here.
You can show them the view. See, look at the view, guys. Yeah, Flo will enjoy swimming here, guys, and we will just walk a little going there. Yeah, Flo is starting to. You will search big crab. Yeah, it's.
I will destroy my slipper.
It's muddy there. It's muddy. Actually, so many crab in this area because like very muddy. Not there ga. Here. Walk here. Not there. Is even more muddy if you go far. So guys, ininto muna namin yung paghuli ng mga alimango at alimasag kasi yung tubig tumataas na eh. So mag-swimming muna kami ni Flo kasi enjoy na enjoy siya eh. I-enjoy namin yung dagat dito guys kasi konti lang yung tao dito, sobrang tahimik. Ito yung gusto ni Flo guys, yung hindi wala masyadong tao, hindi crowded.
So guys, we walk and we are here in the middle of nowhere, only stone water, yeah, and the trash of course, but still the view is kinda nice and the water is so clear. Enjoying.
Kami lang dalawa dito guys, like sobrang remote dito,
yeah, so much remote. We only seen water, mangrove, big stone. So we'll go swim because we feel hot, sweaty.
Tingnan nyo guys, yung sa likod ko puro na halaman. Grabe, sobrang ganda talaga dito. So pupuntahin natin si Flo guys, sobrang nag-enjoy siya. So how's my ga? Tingnan nyo si Flo guys, relaxing.
But I look like I'm...
Yeah, because the water is not so deep. Hindi masyado mataas ang tubig ito guys. Saktong-sakto lang. Sobrang chill talaga. I really want to stay here for long. It's so good.
Good food.
Of course. Later, yeah, we will get the crab and eat the hand. Yeah.
I mean, boil.
It's like survival island.
Yeah, we are on survival.
Yeah, we will hunt like seafoods here and cook. Gusto mo try ni Flo guys na pupunta kami sa liblig na mangrove. So maghahunt kami ng kahit anong seafoods na makita namin. So guys, pabalik na kami ni Flo guys. Gutom, what is it? Say it again.
Gutom po.
Gutom daw siya guys. Yeah, we're walking going back. Careful. So guys, naghahanap na kami ulit ng mga crabs guys, mga alimango at alimasag. So andito kami ni Flo. May kasama akong kaibigan rin guys na marunong ding manghuli ng mga alimango. Careful dito yun guys. Manghuli na kami ng maraming alimango. Right ga?
Huh?
So the one will eat the alimango, the big one. If you are lucky to find one.
Impossible, I think.
Huh?
I don't think it's possible to find here.
Who knows? Because it's mangrove, like so many crabs here. It's their habitat. Careful. The water is like hot. Kinda deep now. Oh. Not yeah. They're so fast. Yun yung mga kasama namin guys. Bilis maglakad. So guys, nahanap kami ng anaconda dito guys.
Uy, don't talk about anaconda.
Of course, there's no anaconda here. Yeah.
Where are they?
Good. Step first. Want to step in the sun, not in the grass.
Oh, I thought it was a sea snake. You scared me earlier.
It's not. Come here. Hold on. My guy is scared now.
The moment we arrived, they're already fighting.
Yeah, they're so fast. They are expert in getting the crabs. Well, we need to walk on this side.
You need to walk in this side.
Okay, first, slowly.
Why are you scared of me?
You need to save my guy. Come here. Okay, slowly. Oh. Oops. Muddy. So guys, yung kasama ko guys, nangunguha na ng mga alimango at kalimasa guys. Here. You guys still okay? Good.
Like that.
Oops.
I don't know what he is doing. Fake adventurer.
You can film me here.
Yeah, yeah.
I think there's a big crab here.
Really? Wala.
I just I try. I wanna catch the alimango guys. Show them how clear is it.
Yeah, so clear.
Guys, we're really searching whale guys.
He is searching me. I'm just recording.
Yeah,
I'm the cameraman now.
we can find like big alimango guys. Tingnan nyo guys.
So nice.
So nice. So yung kasama namin guys na nasa kabila. Ako dito naman ako.
I hear bubbles.
Coconut. So guys, dito kami ni Flo guys sa like liblib na lugar guys. It's like dead end. Yeah, it's small mangrove. So naghahanap pa rin kami guys. At yeah, hindi ako expert. Yeah, I hear the bubbles. Yeah, I heard many weird sounds.
Yeah, I told you. That's nature.
Yeah, that's nature.
I like that.
Of course.
I'm in the wild.
Exactly.
It's so hot. Even the water is so hot, so I keep sweating. I want to just lay in the water now.
Guys, so, maraming maraming mga maliliit na pugita rin guys. Wow, I did not expect.
So cute.
The small squid guys. Wow. First, I didn't expect. It's hiding, yeah. Tingnan nyo guys, may squid na maliit guys. Sobrang cute. Where are you going?
Catch it.
Oh, sobrang
I want to play with it.
madaming mga baby shrimp at baby squid. Bye.
Oh, you didn't catch.
So guys, hindi namin in-expect guys na may makikita kaming maraming maliliit na shrimp at saka maliliit na
Old
po,
babies.
mga pusit. Like sobrang dami ng mga baby pusit. But yeah, we need to search the mother of it.
So gamay.
The mother of the shrimp and mother of squid.
Yeah.
Wow.
So many shrimp. Look.
So many, yeah.
So many coming.
Even the squid, I did not expect.
They always swim with that small transparent fish.
Yeah, exactly. Wow, sobrang daming ng seafoods dito guys, pero puro mga baby. We need to kailangan namin hanapin yung mga mother nila. I want to eat the mother of squid. So guys, may nakita daw si Flo guys. What is that guy? Bernard? Yeah, of course. Good. You can see?
Look.
You can sit there.
Show them, my friend.
Oh yeah. Hello friend. That's a friend of Flo guys. Bernard. The name is Bernard. So guys, ito yung nakuha. Lahat na nakuha guys. Hello.
Don't put your hands.
Of course not. So wow. Ito lang yung lulutuin namin guys. So enough na to. So guys, ready na kami magluto guys. So nag-prepare na kami guys. Tingnan niyo. Ready na guys, ready to cook. So are you ready ga?
King in the mango.
Yeah.
First one.
Good. So the first step guys is the oil.
Put all.
Yeah, you can put all. Go. And then yeah. So Flo have assistant. That's the assistant. So guys, ito yung headset namin guys, ISO. So yeah, next step yeah. Go.
Go.
So guys, nilagay na nila yung kasag o alimasag. Usual titig ah. So that's okay, walit nito.
My friend also wants to eat.
Yeah. It will be so good. So fast. Kapil ba? Cover for it. So guys, it's almost cooked now.
This one has many babies.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, you can put all. Good. So you just need to wait a little to make it fully cooked.
The plastic one.
It's okay. Yes, look at this. Look at her face, guys. So hungry. So hungry ka?
The
Gutom?
smell.
Yeah, also the smell is really good. And sobrang excited, guys. Gutom na si Flo. Yeah, you mix it like slowly. Just half. Okay. Yeah, this enough. So this is our head chef, guys. Shout out to ISO. An assistant guys.
I will put too much because I think it's already soaked.
Yeah, that's already good. Excited na si Flo guys. Gutom na siya. Soon yun kining. Cook well. Look at that guys.
This one not yet.
Yeah, soon. Wait a little. Yeah. You feel bad? You feel bad at it?
But I want to eat them.
Yeah, I know you're hungry. So guys, it's already cooked. So Flo is preparing the food now, so we can eat.
They still try to escape.
Let's use the big one. So tingnan nyo guys. So malas nga lang guys kasi walang alimango. So ito lang mga alimasag. But it's already good. You can get the pink one. The one you like. Yeah, the big one. So time to eat for us guys. Flo is so hungry.
Wait, it's so hot for sure. I don't know how to eat.
You can eat. We need to survive on the island guys. With Flo. This is the survival. So guys, nag-enjoy si Flo guys. Crab meat guys.
Be careful.
Oh, the middle, see? It's full of meat. Look at this. Try to eat. Enjoy ka?
Yes.
No. Nice. Full of meat. So guys, we're done eating guys. So welcome back to the
Earth.
huh?
To the earth.
Yeah, welcome back
Soil.
to finally. So mega enjoy.
Yes.
Good.
Nice view, nice food.
Exactly.
It was new for me. First time.
Kinda spicy crab. But yeah, not so big, but it's already good.
Yeah, it's good snack.
Exactly. Tingnan nyo guys. Parang deserto.
So guys, the video is done. I hope you enjoy as much as we did. We had some sunburn. I think you can see on the video now, but we get a little bit burned. But we really enjoyed. The food was good. The place was nice. And we plan to go back there one day. So yeah, for finishing the video, of course, shout out time.
Yeah, shout out time.
Okay, so first one is Kuya Will. Shout out to you.
Shout out Kuya Well.
Next is Gren Tuburan from Kinasangan City.
Yeah, shout out Glenn Tuburan.
Thank you for watching. Roberto Abeyana from Japan.
Yeah, shout out Roberto Abeliana.
Next is Zell Tiger Girl. Shout out to you.
Yeah, shout out Zell Tiger Girl.
Thank you for your comment. Then it's Felicito Lucero from Tegis Puro Camotes.
Yeah, shout out Felicito Lucero.
Next is shout out to Trends Music from Banames and Kiyo family, Eastern Samar.
Yeah, shout out Balmes family and Kilio family.
Yeah, God bless you too. Next shout out to Buboko.
Shout out Bobuko.
That's funny name.
Yeah.
Shout out to Luffy Dedios.
Yeah, shout out Luffy de Dios. We did not forget you
Yeah,
this time.
God bless you too.
Yeah.
Shout out to Amado Manangan from Norzar Garay, Bulacan.
Managan. Shout out Amado Managan from Norzagaray.
Next is Belase. Shout out from Taguig City.
Shout out Bilasi from Taguig City.
Thank you for the support. And last shout out is special shout out to Renz Manila.
Yeah, special shout out to Renz Manila. It's my mom, my friend.
Thank you for watching us.
Yeah, thank you.
So it's time to say goodbye and see you on next video. Bye.
Bye.